Most online business opportunities fail people over 50, not because you can't do it, but honestly, it's because they ignore how you actually live. You don't want to become a TikTok influencer. And you're not trying to hustle 24/7. You just want to build something meaningful, manageable, and flexible, without drowning in jargon, funnels or fake promises. Let's be real for a second, most online programs throw you into tools you've never used, platforms that change every single week, and training that assumes you've got a computer science degree. You're expected to master AI, build websites, launch funnels, edit videos. All at once. That's not support. That's sabotage. If you're over 50, tech should be a tool, not a trap. You're told to launch in 7 days, scale to 6 figures in 30 days. But, honestly, you've lived enough life to know real success doesn't happen overnight. You want steady income, not viral gimmicks. You want to build something sustainable, that fits your rhythm, your values, your schedule. Most programs? They're designed for 25-year-olds with nothing but time and caffeine. That's not you, and that's okay. You know, the internet is just full of empty promises. Flashy screenshots everywhere, pushy tactics at every turn. And those so-called mentors who are, what, half your age, trying to tell you how to live your life. At some point, you just stop trusting anything. But here's the truth. It's not you. It's them. You really do deserve guidance that's rooted in real life, real income, and real respect for your time and experience. That's exactly why I created a different path. A guide made specifically for people over 50, no fluff, no tech overwhelm, and absolutely no shame. You get clear business ideas, step-by-step plans, realistic timeframes, and tools you'll actually use. I'll help you turn your skills and life experience into something that really works, for you. Go ahead and download your free guide using the link below. If you've tried before and felt like it was your fault, I promise, it wasn't. The world is finally waking up to just how powerful we are after 50. Let's build something together, without all the noise. Click below. Your second act starts today.